Assalamu alaikum class 9th. Hope you all are fine. 9th class, you know that we started chapter number 5, cell cycle. Okay, today our topic is significance of meiosis. In previous lectures we already discussed in detail about phases of meiosis and meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Today our topic is significance of meiosis. This is very important topic. Okay, you must memorize for paper, and those lines that are underlined must memorize. Okay, now started the topic significance of meiosis. The significance of meiosis for reproduction and inheritance was described in 1819 by German biologist August Weismann. Okay, the significance of meiosis described in 1819 German biologist August Weismann. He pointed out that meiosis was necessary not only to maintain the number of chromosomes in the next generation but also produce variation in next generation. Okay, he pointed that meiosis was not necessary for maintenance of chromosome number. Okay, this is also very important to produce variation in next generation. Variation mean change. Okay, that's mean meiosis is very necessary for next generation, for producing variation in next generation. Maintenance of the chromosome number is next generation. Meiosis is essential for sexual reproduction. Okay, meiosis is essential. Meiosis is very important for sexual reproduction. In human, diploid gametes, mother cells or germ-line cells undergo meiosis to produce haploid gametes. When diploid gametes of mother cells and germ lines undergo meiosis, then produce haploid gametes. Male and female gametes unite to form diploid zygote. When male and female and then female and male gametes are unite, they form zygote, diploid zygote. Diploid means two cells, which undergoes repeated mitosis. Okay, and develops into a new diploid human. That's male and female gametes are unite and make diploid zygote. When mitosis is occur again and form diploid human. Many haploid fungi and protozoan produce haploid gametes through mitosis. Okay, plants life cycle shows alternation of generations. These cells of diploid sporophytes generation undergo meiosis to produce haploid spores. Okay, in these lines plants life cycle shows alternation of generations. The cells of diploid sporophytes जनरेशन अंडरगो मियोसिस. ओके, यहाँ पे हमारे पास प्लांट्स के सेल्स का जिक्र हो रहा है, स्पोरोफाइट्स. when these are undergo meiosis to produce haploid spores which grows into haploid gametophytes generation. Gametophyte generation produce haploid gametes through mitosis. The gametes combine to produce diploid zygote. Zygote undergoes repeated mitosis to become diploid sporophytes. Production of variation in next generation. The chromosomes pair of each parent undergo crossing over during meiosis, so daughter cells that gametes have genetic variation. When gametes fuse from zygote, its genetic makeup is different from both parents. Okay, the chromosome exist in the form of pairs. Okay, when crossing over is occur during meiosis. So daughter cells that gametes have genetic variation. When gametes fuse into zygote, its gametes makeup is different from both parents. Thus meiosis allows a species to bring variation in the next generation. Beneficial variation helps organisms to adapt to the change in environment. Okay, this is today our topic. You must read these lines and watch videos from portal. then you learn about significance of meiosis. Okay, Allah Hafiz.